Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm testing out the Samyang 16mm f2.8 on my Sony ZV-E1. This tiny lens might just be the ultimate budget wide angle for vlogging in 2025. Let's see what it can do. Before we dive in, quick thanks to the PunCube Mech wallet, Lensgo Smoke Go, and K&F Concept Tripod. Some of my go-to gear that always supports on my content. Here it is, super simple packaging. The lens itself is lightweight, only 145 grams, and really compact. This is an autofocus lens for Sony FE mount. 60mm gives you a nice, wide field of view, ideal for vlogging. The aperture is f2.8, which means decent low light performance and little background blur. Autofocus worked great with the Sony face and eye tracking, which is perfect for creators like us. Alright, let's test this in a real world. As you can see, it's wide enough to capture me and the background, super handy for travel vlogs. At f2.8, we get nice separation without losing too much of the scene. Indoor shot or night street, here's how it looks in a low light. The AF test move forward, backward and autofocus is snappy, and the ZV-E1 keeps my face locked in. For the pros and cons after using it, here's what I think. For the pros, super lightweight and compact, affordable for full-frame wide lens, works great for handheld vlogging. For the cons is f2.8 isn't as bright as f1.8 or f1.4. Image corners can be soft at the times. If you are on budget but want a wide-angle prime lens for the Sony ZV-E1, Sony's A7C Mark II, the Samyang 16mm f2.8 is a solid choice. It's not a perfect, but for vlogging, travel, and everyday shooting, this little lens delivers. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects. Perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.